Hey YouTube fam, just wanted to give you guys an update on my little garden. I got me some mint leaves, some rosemary, I got some thymes, bay leaves. Look at my little cabbage and carrots starting to sprout out. Strawberries hadn't sprouted yet. Cilantros, nothing yet. I just put those in, well, you know, about a couple of weeks ago, so hopefully something to sprout soon. But yeah, I'm happy. This is my update on my little garden. Yeah, look at that little sprouting. This one is flourishing right here. But thank you guys. Yeah, today's my baby's birthday. She turned 3 today. Happy birthday, Cassie. You're welcome, baby.